ENPAC Storm Sentinels are the last line of defense to prevent sediment and pollutants in stormwater from leaving the job site. The framed Storm Sentinel features an adjustable steel wire designed to fit a wide range of catch basins and is available in both rectangular and round configurations. The wireframe sits on the lip of the catch basin and will not fall in during installation or removal, even when filled with sediment. Installation is simple. Remove the grate, adjust the frame to match the size of the catch basin, position on the lip, then replace the grate. Once installed, the non-woven geotextile fabric effectively removes over 80% of sediment from stormwater runoff, as tested by a third-party lab. During large storm events, overflow ports prevent pooling or flooding around the drain. As an additional option, an oil-absorbing packet can be attached in the cone for extra oil absorption capacity. To remove or replace the Storm Sentinel, remove the grate and grab the Storm Sentinel by the heavy-duty handles. All ENPAC Storm Sentinels are proudly made in the USA. For any of your stormwater filtration needs, contact ENPAC today.